Hello everyone, welcome back. We're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how you would be able to boost the microphone volume of your laptop or PC in just 4 easy steps. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Now here in our taskbar, please locate and search for or look for the speaker icon and make a right click on it once found, and then click on sound settings. Here in the sound settings, we need to check for the output and input section. So below output section or in the output section, we need to make sure that we select for the speakers that we are currently using. And once we selected that, we need to make sure that the volume is set with our preferred volume of the device. And after doing so, we need to proceed to a input section. Here in the input section, we need to check or select for the microphone that we are also using, and also select for the volume that we desire. So we will know that this is working because this here goes, or this will move, this volume here will move. Okay, so after doing so, after checking that, we need also to go to the advanced section and click on volume mixer. Here in the volume mixer, we need to make sure that our sounds or our volume is not muted. So we need to make sure that this speaker icon here, you don't see any X marks, and you will set also the volume here for the volume that you desire. Okay, so once you're done with this section, you can close it and we can proceed to the control panel. So just search for control panel in the search tab and click on under best match. So here we need to look for sound, and under playback tab, so you will see the headphones and the speakers that we are currently using. So once you see green marks there, so it indicates that our headphones and speakers are currently working. Here we need to proceed to the recording tab, and we need to make sure that our microphone is working. So once we see this green here that's going up and down as you speak, then that indicates that your microphone is working. Or we can also check it by going to its properties, and so once the device status says the device is working properly, then your microphone is good to go. Okay, so let me just close this one and let's close everything. So in case that you don't, or the microphone is not still working, then you can also go search or look for this application in the internet. So just go with your favorite browser and search for Equalizer APO, and then click on OK. And the first search result that you will see, please click on it. And here you will have an option to download. So just click on download and then you install it in your device. Okay, so that's all the process that you need to boost the microphone volume of your laptop or PC. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.